I told you so. Joe Butler is back on the road. Whenever Joe Butler is back on the road, you guys have to think about sales of the Sapphire device. Yesterday, I made a video telling you guys that Joe Butler is back on the road. Joe Butler is the father of 3, occasional sleeper, and the man that works for Bionano Genomics. He is our sales representative in the United Kingdom. He is more or less responsible for installing Sapphire devices all across the United Kingdom. In this video, we are going to be taking a look at the breaking news. There is also another news out there that I want to share with you guys in this video, a very super bullish news about Bionano Genomics. And of course, I also want to talk about nano dimension because there is something crazy going on about nano dimension that you guys need to be aware of right after this intro. What up investors, it's your way Dayo. Welcome to Frunkla Investment, where we talk about Bngo from Monday to Sunday. Even if it's my birthday, I still talk about Bionano Genomics. To receive daily updates about your investment in this amazing company, Bionano Genomics, click on the subscription button to become a member of this family. Join the likes of Mr. Rishipi, our chief business officer, that says he enjoys my YouTube video and my enthusiasm for Bionano Genomics, and he thanks me and he hopes that I keep up the great work. Click on the like button and the subscription button, become a member of this family. Let's get to it. So this is a tweet from Joe Butler. He shared it like a few minutes ago. He said, say hello to the latest addition to the Bionano Genomics family, Newcastle NHS Foundation Trust. NEY Genomics have a shiny new Sapphire instrument. I can't wait to see what they do with it. Structural variations have nowhere to hide. Yesterday, Joe Butler shared a picture of Cytopia, okay, more or less a session whereby most of them are learning how to, sell more Sapphire devices, how to explain the Cytopia to new customers of Bionano Genomics or old customers of Bngo. And I told you guys that I think they are learning about the new prototype of the Sapphire device. Who knows? Maybe this is a new prototype of Bngo, because NHS Foundation, I believe this is more or less a power user of Sapphire device is on somebody that, laboratory or hospital that needs very high throughput of the Sapphire device, because they are going to be having more customers. So we will see how everything is going to be playing. You guys know that I don't have insider information. Everything I share with you guys in these videos, or in all of my videos, are more or less what I can find on the internet. And you guys know that this is what I do best. Let's go to the next page. So just to remind you guys, we have ASHG 2021 visual meeting presently going on. Since yesterday, it's going to end on Friday. And this is a tweet from Biodiscovery, a company that we just acquired about last week. This is a tweet about Children's Hospital Los Angeles, an automated classification system for copy number variant based on 2019 ACMG guidelines, where they are going to be talking about. I think this is from yesterday. Today, we don't have any information about what is going on. I'm unable to register at this ACSG. I mean, it is extremely expensive for me to join this meeting. If not, I would be live streaming this with you guys, to you guys on a daily basis. But unfortunately, I don't have the money to join this meeting. Let's go to the next page. All right, investors, for those of you that are still asking me every day, Dayo, what is your price target of Bionano Genomics? What is your price prediction of Bngo? I mean, my price target of Bngo remains $100 guys, in the next 5 years, okay? Of course, we have some analysts out there that are predicting that Bngo in the next 12 months is going to get to $12 or above, okay? We have analysts from Oppenheimer, for example, predicting $14. So now this is a news from Investor Place that is super bullish Bngo. I'm going to put a link below so that you guys can easily go there and learn more about it, okay? The title says Bionano Genomics latest software business acquisition adds immense value, okay? Bngo stock has been mooted lately, but Bionano is still a leader in optical genome mapping. That is more or less what I share with you guys on a daily basis on this channel. So the writer is Luis Navelia, Investor Place research staff. He continues, he says, waiting for a catalyst to push it higher. He is more or less saying that Bionano Genomics, hasn't done anything lately, okay? The stock has more or less been consolidating. So he goes on, he spoke about how the Sapphire device can reveal structural variation greater than 500 BP at a sensitivity as high as 90% and so on and so forth. So he goes on, he said, Bngo stock at a glance, okay? He said, stunningly, the stock rallied from 50 cents in December of last year to a 52-week high of 15.69 US dollars in February 2021. We are talking about a 3,000 return on your investment if you timed it perfectly. I mean, I have a position that I opened around 50 cents to 70 cents, and these positions are, more or less over 500% right now. I mean, at one point I could take profit at 2,500%, but I didn't because I believe this company price target is, around 100 US dollars. And in my opinion, 5 US dollars is still a steal. Yesterday I loaded up my boat a little bit more. Now he continues, he said, of course, Reddit, they are going to say short squeeze, they call it meme stocks in February, blah blah blah. And then he continues to say, fast forward to mid-October, and shares of Bionano Genomics are still drifting along at 5 US dollars and on change. It's possible that the market doesn't know what to do with this company or its stock right now, and that is what I have been saying. We have seen tons of bullish articles out there. Bionano Genomics are releasing bullish press release every day. They acquired a new company, Biodiscovery, a company that is profitable. But what happened to the price stock? Nothing. The price of the stock is not going, and it hasn't been doing anything. It has been consolidating, and you guys know that whenever you take a rubber band and you draw it, at one point it's going to snap. So in my opinion, Bngo has bottomed out, and any moment from now it is going to snap. It's going to break out to the upside. Okay, now this gentleman continues, he said, expanding the team, that Bionano Genomics has acquired a new company, and of course they have been expanding their commercial leadership team. They brought in Amanda Hernandez, who has over 15 years of experience selling multiple products and services within the pharmaceutical and medical diagnostic industry. Amanda Letman, who brings expertise in customer experience operations, business and digital transformation. Justin Lighting, a veteran in the genetics diagnostic testing industry. Bob Heisenberg, who has built successful sales teams to drive sales revenue, and so on and so forth. So he said, thus, Bionano Genomics CEO Dr. Eric Holmlin believes that the new team members' combined experience in life sciences and genomics can add tremendous value to our business and future, as well as help to revolutionize the industry. So he continues, he said, getting the tech and the expertise, Bionano Genomics acquired Biodiscovery. Biodiscovery has this software they call NX Clinical Software, which is a platform agnostic solution that integrates next generation sequencing and microarray data, all in one. And right now they are going to be integrating optical genome mapping data as well, because Bionano Genomics have acquired them. So this gentleman continues, he said, the takeaway is that perhaps the market doesn't appreciate the positive news yet, but that is perfectly fine. It is really just one more opportunity to hold some shares of Bionano Genomics before they potentially return to their peak price. This is a wonderful, perfectly written article. Big kudos to Luis Navelia from Investor Place. I mean, I love this article. Let's go to the next page, guys. Now I want to show you guys something about Nndm and Bionano Genomics. Okay, Nndm and Bionano Genomics. Okay, this is Google trend of Nndm and Bionano Genomics worldwide. So what we are going to do is we are going to be comparing Bngo with Nndm. I don't understand why these two companies are following. The stock is following each other. Look at that, guys. Look at that. This is when Bionano Genomics skyrocketed, back in January, because of a lot of event that was going on in January. You guys see, that's why we have more spikes in Bngo than Nndm. But from March, you guys can see that they started to follow each other. Okay, this is when we brought in Jason Pryor, I believe, our chief commercial officer. That's when we saw a spike in Bngo once again. Then it came down, and since then it has been going down. So Nndm and Bngo have more or less been following each other, guys. I mean, I don't know why. There are several stocks out there, but Nndm is one stock that has been following Bionano Genomics super close. It's more or less like all of you guys that are watching this video right now are also investors investors of Nano Dimension. Let me know in the comment section if you guys also hold Nano Dimension. Now let me show you guys what just happened with Nano Dimension. So this is Nano Dimension, guys. Okay, Nano Dimension is up about 6.66% right now. Okay, 6.66%. This is a company that, you know, I track it on a daily basis as well. But if you guys go to the weekly, there is a breakout happening with Nano Dimension presently. Okay, there is a breakout. Let me remove this. Okay, this one trend line and this another one, and you guys can see that if you take a look at this trend line, for example, okay, if we use this trend line, you can see that it is approaching another resistance at $6.71. But that is not the breakout I want to share with you guys. I want to share with you guys this small breakout right here. Look at that, guys. You see this small breakout? This is a small breakout happening right now from Nano Dimension. Look at that. This weekly, this is the weekly candlestick, guys. You can see we have a small breakout starting. Okay, starting with let's switch over to the dailies. This is just this. Now you guys can see it clearly. Okay, this is the dailies. A breakout is presently happening with Nano Dimension, guys, and I believe this is for sure on the beginning of something here. If you put it like this, you are more or less seeing that it's almost at the, you know, the resistance. But if you draw it like this, you guys can easily see that we are more or less, you know, breaking out. Okay, this is just the beginning in my opinion, and I believe Bionano Genomics is going to follow suit. Okay, I believe Bngo is going to follow Nano Dimension very soon. Let me show you guys the chart of Bionano Genomics, the price action of Bngo, so that you guys can see what at least is going on. Look at that, guys. We have, you know, something like this going on for Bionano Genomics as well, you see. And very soon I believe Bngo is also, let me draw it very well. I think I don't know why Yahoo Finance is not presenting this candlestick like I would want it. I want them to present it. So this is more or less what is going on with Bngo, guys. You guys can see it right here. This is what is going on with Bngo. Okay, we are more or less still almost at the end of this consolidation. Anything can happen, guys. We may wake up tomorrow and Bionano Genomics will just open at $6 or $5.5, you know, a cap up. Anything is going to happen at the moment, and my prediction is that this price is going to, you know, the stock price is going to break, okay, to the upside. This is a channel that I believe is going to break to the upside, guys. So I think that is all I want to share with you guys in this video. I don't want to make it too long. I still have more information that I want to share with you guys, so we have to continue in the next video. Have a wonderful day, guys. Please remember to smash the like button. I remain your boy Dayo. This is Frunkla Investment. Ciao, ciao.